Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, today we're gonna jump right in. As you can tell from the title, we're gonna be trying on the Nailest press-on nails. So I chose this company because they were all over Instagram, and as you guys know, we've had these stay-at-home orders, so the nail shops have been closed, and I keep my nails done. I know you can't tell right now, but I'm very big on my nails, so I kind of didn't know what to do. So I decided to try out this Nailest collection. Jackie Ina uses these press-on nails, and I never even knew that she wore press-on. So I was like, yep, let's try it. So they have two different types of nails you can order. You can order custom nails, and then you can also order what they call the Instant Glam nails. These are the Instant Glam nails, meaning that they come with all 20, let me show you. They come with all 24 sizes, as opposed to the custom sizes of your particular nail. Okay, so these ready to go, or what do they call these Instant Glam nails, are normally more generic nails, just ready to ship and ready to go. So yeah, as far as shipping, it came in about 5 days. It was really quick, so everything was good on that. And I believe for this Instant Glam set, I paid around $20. Okay, so I've never done this before. What I did initially was just take off the acrylic nails that I had from the nail shop. I know my nails look busted, okay, but actually they are much smoother than they look, so yeah, we'll just go from there. The first step is going to be to file your nails down as short as possible. And then after that, the next step is going to be to push your cuticles back. Gently push them back as far as they'll go. Alright, so then next you're going to take an alcohol wipe, and you're just going to wipe off the nails to get all the oil and dirt and whatever else is on your nails. Okay, so now we're ready to just go ahead and apply the nails. As I said, guys, I'll put all the details to this particular set in the description box. I know it was called like the Boomer Ombre set or something, and they came in coffin and almond. I got mine in almond shaped, obviously, but I think I may cut them to coffin, so we'll see. So yeah, I'm just gonna figure out which sizes fit. Remember the Instant Glam collection, they have all 24 sizes. If you don't want to go this route, if you want some custom ones, you can get the little sizer. It's super cheap. I can't remember how much it is. And then size them, and then you can put in your custom order. But this was fine for me, so I'm gonna figure out what sizes fit my nails, and then we'll get to gluing them on. Okay, so I found the 10 that matches me the most. Now I am extremely terrified to do this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tips off and change these to coffin shapes. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, so I hope I don't mess these up. Okay, so I cut them off. Now let's just stick them on. So it came with tabs as well as some glue. It says the tabs last 1 to 2 days, or the glue is 1 to 2 weeks. But if you use them together, you're supposed to get the best results. So you just pop the tabs on the nail, and then put the glue on top of the tabs, and then stick the nail on. So now all the tabs are on, and I believe that you pull these tabs off, and it'll reveal another sticky layer. We're gonna put glue on and just stick the nails on. Okay guys, so I completely forgot to film an outro for this video, but it worked out anyway because I want to give you guys an update on these nails. So honestly, I really enjoyed these. They were cute. Like, you know, especially during this time because all the nail shops are closed. It was a really nice alternative. I know that some people wear these full time, and that's cool, but they are a lot thinner than, you know, acrylic, which is to be expected. But I do a lot of typing and weightlifting and things like that, and I just prefer a thicker nail. But overall, I really did enjoy these. So it's only been like a week, and honestly guys, they are stuck on. Like, I did have to replace one of them today, or no, I had to replace one of them after like 4 days. But that's because I think I put it on wrong. The tab was a little bit too small for the nail. But other than that, I mean, they are on there. I feel like they are definitely on stronger than any other like press-on nails that I get from, you know, Walmart or whatever, wherever you get your nails from. So yeah, I'm definitely messing with this. I super like them. I think they look good. I got a lot of compliments. I'm gonna keep them on for as long as, you know, like they stay on without me having to like continue to replace. I'm not a fan of bringing nail glue everywhere. I know like that's to be expected when you wear press-ons, but I don't like that. So as soon as they start popping off for real, it's a wrap for me. But they really do feel like they're on there, like for real, for real. So I definitely would recommend. I'm gonna say a 9 out of 10. The only reason you don't get a 10 out of 10 is because they're kind of thin, and I do a lot of typing, and they're a little flimsy for as fast as I'm going. But that's it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you make sure that you click that bell so you'll know when all of my videos are posted. Okay guys, it's late and I'm tired, so I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.